So in Excel, very often we have tables of data. So typically where you've got a header row like I've got here, and then you've got rows of items of data underneath those header rows. So when you have this type of information, you can very easily format it as a table within Excel. So on the Home tab, if you go to Styles, you'll see there's this option called Format as a Table. So if I click on it, gives me various different options. Let's just choose, for example, this blue one over here. So when I click on that, it'll say what is the data for your table, and it says it has an option where you can say whether your table has headers. So since this table does have header columns in terms of employee code, name, basic salary, all those descriptions in this first row is the header row. So I make sure that I tick it on that my table has headers, and then it's automatically picked up, selected the data range. You can see up till row 46. So from A1, the very first row, to F46 is the data. So as long as you're anywhere within the data area, when you select the option of formatting as a table, it'll automatically fill this detail for you. And the moment I click on OK, you can see now it's automatically formatted it as a table. So it's inserted these auto filters, and auto filters are covered in the advanced course. But basically, it's actually got this formatting as a table. So you can see it's actually changed formatting. And if I click on this drop down, there's a lot more options. So for example, you can see if I wanted to have alternating colored rows, I click on that one, and then every second row, every alternating row is in a different fill. So it's just easier to read sometimes that way. It's referred to as banded rows. You can see on the table design here, I've got banded rows. If I tick it off, it's unbanded. If I tick it on, it's banded. You can also have a different first column. So if I tick that on, you can see it's bolded it. If I tick that off, it's done it as normal. And then if I click on this drop down here, there's a lot of styles, and you can even create your own table style, but usually there's more than enough predefined styles. So the light is sort of light colors, medium is medium colors. If I click on that, you can see that's a medium color a color palette. And if I click on this drop down, you can even choose dark colors. So let's say we chose something like this. You can see that's much more darker colors being used, with the font the font color itself being white on dark backgrounds. So you can choose whatever you like in terms of formatting. It's just a quick way to format data. However, note that actually formatting it up as a table it brings a lot more functionality than just the formatting. There's a number of things that that you can do with a table, but those are effectively covered in the more advanced course. Right now, we're just showing you how it actually affects the look of the data in terms of formatting it as such. So I'll just go in, change it to this one over here, and we'll leave it as that.